In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from MoonPay to Trust Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, open up your MoonPay app and then your Trust Wallet app as well. Of course, you can use the extension over here on your computer, just like I'm using right now, or you can use the mobile app on your phone. So after you do this, after you have your Trust Wallet, first you want to make sure you know which crypto you would like to transfer from MoonPay to Trust Wallet. So let's say we're going to do Bitcoin for this instance. What you want to do to actually transfer it from MoonPay to Trust Wallet is first you want to get the Trust Wallet receive address for Bitcoin, okay? Because we're transferring to Trust Wallet and you want to get the receive address. The way you can do this is basically just click receive over here on your Trust Wallet. And after you click receive, make sure you have backed up your secret phrase over here, and then it's going to let you through. And then you want to click on Bitcoin yet again, so BTC, Bitcoin, and this is your receive address. Over here, it says you should only send Bitcoin to this address because if you send any other coins, it may result in permanent loss. So make sure you know which address you're using, and this one is for Bitcoin. If you're using anything else, trying to send any different tokens or coins inside the crypto space, you can use a different address inside Trust Wallet. After that, you want to just copy this, so copy it, and after you've copied it, you want to go to MoonPay, so either over here online or you want to use the app on your mobile device, and you simply want to go to send, so click on send inside the app, and then from there you just want to choose Bitcoin and then paste in this wallet we've seen over here, paste it, pick how much you would like to transfer from MoonPay to Trust Wallet, and then just press send, and in just a few seconds, you'll be able to see your balance go up inside the Trust Wallet because you've just received some of your crypto you've sent from MoonPay. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.